Whether you're saving up for a new gaming PC or your first car, then in this video, I'll be showing you 12 ways you can make money online as a teenager using only your smartphone or your computer. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any of these awesome methods. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Mo from Wi-Fi Cash Academy, and if you're new to the channel, then I'll be showing you different ways of making money online and mainly focusing on affiliate marketing. I'll be documenting my own journey to financial freedom and sharing what I've learned along the way. So if that sounds interesting to you, then make sure you subscribe and click the notification icon so that you can be the first to see my new videos. Now let's get back to business. So the first method is teaching simple computer and tech skills to people online. So you may be surprised, but little things as simple as changing your Facebook cover photo or how to create an email account may actually be useful to people. Information that you take for granted could earn you a good living if you know what to do. So the main way people search for information online is usually through a search engine such as Google. But did you know YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google, which also owns YouTube? So if we come over to YouTube, we can type in a simple search query such as how to make an Instagram account. So we can see something as simple as that can generate hundreds and thousands of views for these channels, and you could be generating ad revenue from these as well. So how this works is that you would make a simple YouTube channel such as these ones and start to create 2 to 3 3-minute videos a day on different topics surrounding social media platforms, software, and popular tools. There are literally endless amounts of video ideas that you can make. After you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you will be able to apply for YouTube monetization. The beauty of this is that it may take some time to get the ball moving, but once you have a good amount of videos making money, it turns into passive income. This means you will then be able to get paid every single month for years to come from the videos you have uploaded. This is not even incorporating affiliate marketing, which would take your earnings to another level. Let's check out this channel's stats on Social Blade. So we can see that this channel has racked up over 18 million views and makes an estimated £8,000 a month, which is around $10,000. You could easily create a passive income of $1,000 a month with this method if you stay consistent. Next, we have freelancing on Fiverr. So Fiverr is an online gig marketplace for freelancers. You can find all sorts of services from voice actors, graphic designers, blog writers, and the list goes on. It's free to sign up, and there are many types of things you can offer as services. Try thinking of skills you have or something you're willing to learn. You could offer video editing skills or even have a gig where you make people's YouTube thumbnails. So after you have registered your account and you have some services you'd like to offer, then it's time to make your gig post. You can get inspiration from other listings if you're stuck with what to write. You basically want to describe how your service will enhance the buyers' lives and things of that nature. A pro tip is to also include a short video introducing yourself and what the gig is about. Fiverr has been pushing video more and more lately, and it's said to increase your likelihood of showing up higher in the search results. Once you start getting good reviews, then you can make some good money on here. Next, we have surveys. Now there are many survey sites that pay you for sharing your opinion on different topics in exchange for cash. You can look to get anywhere between 20 cents to $2 a survey, so it's one of the easiest ways to get started. I recently tried out a few survey apps and found the best one to be QMe. They pay via PayPal, and unlike most other apps, they have no minimum payout threshold, meaning you can make $2 and withdraw it to your PayPal account instantly. I made around $21 for taking a few surveys a day for around a week, so it could be really good for some extra cash. Our next method involves user interface testing. Websites like usertesting.com and Alpen pay you for testing other companies' websites and apps. They usually ask you to record some audio description of what you think of the website's design or layout. They advertise as paying $60 an hour for taking part in the task. Even though the number of hours offered may vary, it's a pretty good website to be signed up for. The next method is selling designs on Etsy without holding inventory. So Etsy is an amazing platform where you can sell handmade and customized products. I've been using it for a few years and it's a great platform to use. In this method, you will be selling print-on-demand products such as mugs and t-shirts on Etsy. The way it works is that you will look online for trending quotes and designs for inspiration. Then using a software such as Photoshop, you will create your design. You will then upload it to a website such as Gearbubble or Printly, where you can put the designs on different products. Next, you will list your items on Etsy for free targeted traffic. When someone buys the product on Etsy, you will then place your order on Gearbubble and they will send the product directly to your customer. You then split the difference of the price you sold it for and the amount it cost to make the item. For example, Gear Bubble could charge you $5 to print your design on a mug and send it to your customer. You then list the mug on Etsy for $15, so that would be 15 minus 5 equals $10. So you take home $10 for every sale. The more designs you have up and the more sales you get will result in you getting picked up more by the Etsy algorithm, and in return make more sales, and it kind of snowballs from there. Next, selling old and unwanted things online. Old games, cameras, smartphones, shoes, you name it. You will always find someone that finds what you have valuable online. eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and sites similar to them can be a great way to earn some extra cash and also freeing up space in your house, also allowing your unwanted things to be reused by others. On eBay, a really cool way to see what your items are worth is using the recently sold filter. It will show you how many times the item sold recently, including the price that it sold for. Next, we have a pretty cool site called GamerSensei. Now this site allows people to pay for coaching sessions with gamers to help them get better at their chosen game and platform. So if you feel like you're pretty good at Fortnite or Animal Crossing, then you can sign up for the site as a coach and start earning an hourly wage when you teach. Another way you can earn on this site is by becoming an affiliate for the service. The way it works is that if you refer someone to buy a coaching session, you get to keep 50% of whatever they pay. As an idea, you can start a gaming YouTube channel and then you can promote GamerSensei for people who would like to get better at playing. Next, we have managing social media accounts for businesses. So I'm pretty sure you have a few social media accounts and you know your way around the apps. In this method, you'll be reaching out to small local businesses around you and offering to take care of their social media accounts. For example, this could be posting on their Instagram account and growing it organically so that they can reach more buyers. It may seem like something very simple, but having a social media presence is vital for small businesses. But the thing is that many of them do not have the time or expertise in how to do so. Many people that are new to social media management usually charge between $15 to $30 per hour for typically 10 to 20 hours a month. This means that each client is potentially worth $700 per month. As you get more experience, you can start to offer packages for the month or a few months at a time. Next, we have two websites called Swagbucks and Viggle, which allows you to make money watching trailers and advertisements. Our next method is for those of you who can drive or have a bike. InstaCart is similar to Uber Eats, except it's focused on grocery delivery instead of restaurant delivery. If you live and bike in an urban area, this could be a great way for you to make money riding a bike, depending on your location and how much you want to work. InstaCart advertises that bikers can work up to 29 hours per week. InstaCart also provides bonuses for people who work 40 hours or more, which could be 2 weeks of deliveries. Next is transcribing audio files. A lot of companies pay good money to have audio files transcribed into written format. One of the best websites out there to use is called transcribeme.com. And they pay $15 to $22 per hour. They usually give you audio files of around 2 minutes each, and you need to basically write down everything that you hear being said. The only downside is that you have to be 18 to join. Alternatively, you can use Fiverr or Upwork and list transcribing as one of your services. And lastly, we have affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is my favorite way to make money from home, and unlike other business models, it has a very low barrier to entry. How it works is that you'll be promoting other people's products for a commission of the price. For physical products, your commission is usually very low, around 5%. But what I like to promote are digital products that actually help people, such as online tools, courses, and services, where the commission is usually between 40 to 60%. If you would like to learn the exact method that I'm using in my business and receive a step-by-step guide to earning a full-time income from home, then I'll be leaving a link in the description, so make sure you check it out. Now, if you have found this video helpful in any way, then make sure you leave a thumbs up, as I'll really appreciate it. And also leave me a comment in the description if you want me to go into more detail of any of the methods I mentioned, and I'll do that for you. And if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can get notified as soon as I release a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.